Investing in XRP, a cryptocurrency, involves a few key steps. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Sign up with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports XRP. Ensure it provides the necessary security measures and supports trading XRP. Secure wallet. Obtain a secure digital wallet to store your XRP. Wallets come in various forms like hardware, software, or online options. Hardware wallets are generally considered the most secure. Research and analysis. Thoroughly research XRP and the market conditions. Understand the technology, use case, and potential risks. Analyze the historical performance of XRP and consider factors that might affect its price. Purchase XRP. Fund your exchange account, then place an order to buy XRP with your deposited funds. Ensure you're comfortable with the quantity you're purchasing. Monitor and manage. Regularly track the performance of XRP. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, so be prepared for potential fluctuations in value. Make informed decisions based on your investment strategy and market developments. Security and backup. Ensure the security of your digital wallet with strong passwords and, if applicable, two-factor authentication. Always keep a backup of your wallet's private key or seed phrase in a secure place. Consult financial experts. Cryptocurrency investment can be complex and risky. Seeking advice from financial advisors or cryptocurrency experts can help mitigate risks and align your investment with your financial goals.